Long, long ago, in the hot and sandy deserts of Arabia, there lived a mighty people called the Ad. They were one of the strongest and most powerful nations that ever walked the earth. They built towering stone cities with huge pillars that reached toward the sky. They were proud, wealthy, and very, very strong. But there was one big problem. They had forgotten Allah, the one true God. So, Allah, out of His great love and mercy, sent them a very special prophet. His name was Hazrat Hud, peace be upon him. Hud was one of the Ad people himself. He was kind, honest, and full of wisdom. Hazrat Hud stood before his people with a warm heart and said, "O my people, worship only Allah. He is the one who created you and gave you all your blessings, your strength, your homes, your food, and everything you have. Say thank you to Allah by worshiping only Him." But the people of Ad were very proud. They puffed out their chests and said, "We are the strongest people on earth. No one is more powerful than us. Why should we leave our old ways?" They laughed at Hazrat Hud. They called him a liar. They said, "You are just a foolish man trying to change our ways. We will not listen to you." But Hazrat Hud did not give up. He kept reminding them with patience and kindness. He told them again and again, "Please, my people, turn back to Allah before it is too late. Allah is watching over all of us." Still, most of them refused. They turned away, they mocked, and they kept doing wrong things. They were unkind to the poor and did not share their blessings. Then one day, they saw something strange in the sky. Dark, heavy clouds began to gather over their land. The wind started to blow, slowly at first, then faster and faster. Allah sent a mighty powerful wind, a wind unlike anything the world had ever seen. It roared and howled for 7 nights and 8 days. It swept through the cities of the Ad and destroyed their tall buildings and their proud towers. But Hazrat Hud and the people who believed with him, Allah kept them safe. They were protected because they had trusted in Allah and done good deeds. After the storm, only silence remained where the great city of Ad once stood. The tall pillars were gone. The proud people had been humbled. So what can we learn from this amazing story? We learn that no matter how strong or rich we are, we should always be thankful to Allah. We should never be too proud to listen to good advice. We should be kind to others and share what we have. And most importantly, always trust in Allah, just like Hazrat Hud did. He never gave up. He was always honest, and he always put his trust in Allah. That's the beautiful story of Hazrat Hud. Peace be upon him. Remember his lesson in your heart, and until next time, be kind, be good, and always remember Allah.